guys, Lisa here, and I got a big box from the Cookie Countess. I'm really excited to go through it and show you what I got. First thing we got is the counter cover. This is a super convenient giant surface protector for your countertops. We know how cookie decorating, cake decorating, and just dessert decorating can get super messy, so this makes cleanup a breeze. I'm going to be using this a lot because I've got white quartz countertops and it stains really easily, so this is going to really prevent that from happening. Next, we've got this guy here. I might need some help.
How do we help you? We're watching on the internet.
This is one of Hillary's wooden rolling pins. So these are guided rolling pins, and they have the ridges on the side so that your dough rolls out evenly. This is pretty heavy duty and really good quality. I've actually not had one of these before because I have a sheeter now, but I will be using this for small batches of dough moving forward. Next thing I grabbed out of the box is their new Royal Max airbrush system. So after moving from California to Florida, I didn't bring any airbrushes with me because I don't like to airbrush, but it was time to actually get a new airbrush, so this came at the perfect time. Nice. This is cute. So many cookies, so little time. This is very cute. And then it comes with like, oh, this is so cute. I have to open this and show you. There are these like straw charms. Oh my god. Well, this is adorable, you guys. Oh, really cute. Hillary has these monthly subscription boxes where she curates tools, supplies, yes, but there are also really fun things like these tumblers. And this was such a little cute and useful thing because I know how much coffee we all go through. Next. This is a set of 3 small cutters. It's got a makeup sponge, lipstick, and nail polish. This is so cute. So Hillary also 3D prints cookie cutters, and I've never actually had one, so I'm looking forward to trying them. First impressions, very sturdy, really nice, with kind of like a tapered cutting edge, which we like. That helps dough release a little bit easier. I've wanted a nail polish cutter for a while, so this actually works out really well. Next, mini mixing bowl set. Comes with 3 sizes, and they're all silicone bowls, and these are great because I never mix my icing in really big bowls just because my hands are really small and it's not comfortable and I don't get a good angle. This is really helpful for me because I think the bowl I use now is this size, so having options is great. Next, this is piping tip holder. I've seen this on her website before. These are for storing your piping tips, and it's a wall-mounted product, or mounted wherever you want, or pegboard. I think there's a patent pending on this, which is awesome. I will see where I can put this. Next, this was just floating around in the box, but it's a holder for the rolling pin so that it doesn't roll away. It's nice. Next, we have rubber spatulas. I always tell people to get the full-on silicone spatulas whenever they're mixing icing. I feel like the ones with wooden handles are really tough on your hands and you get splinters over time, and they kind of get moldy when you wash them and don't properly dry them. It's just a thing that happens with wood. So these are really nice, and I can feel how sturdy they are. When you're looking for silicone spatulas, always look for ones that are full silicone and relatively sturdy. A lot of the ones you pick up on Amazon, like the sets that are like $20 for 8 spatulas, they will work for the most part, but if you're working with stiffer royal icing or stiff dough batters, eventually it's going to start kind of bending and that metal part in the middle is going to poke out. So just kind of be aware when you look for firmness of that spatula head. And finally, we have the magic stencil screen. So everybody knows about the stencil genie that's used to help with stenciling, but this helps prevent under and like overspray. There's some directions on the back. This is basically a silk screen stencil. That's all we got. So thank you, Hillary, for sending over a bunch of stuff. I'm really looking forward to using it, especially the rolling pin, and excited to test out the airbrush. And of course, I will be using this. If you see any products here that you want me to go into depth about and you want to see a review or maybe even demo, let me know in the comments below and we'll try to make that happen. Bye!